everybody, we're going to take a ride through downtown Dells. The parks are closing now for the season, but this is the water park area. Everything's shutting down. It will stay open the other end, at the far end, and we'll see that in a minute, where the other buildings are, because they have some really cool buildings, and they make trick-or-treat stuff out of there, and Halloween buildings, and all kinds of haunted house stuff, so that's kind of fun too. But everything else is pretty much shut down on this side of the Dells. No more roller coaster rides and that. And these are wooden roller coasters. And they creak and everything, and the one that you're looking at now slides into a tunnel, a really dark tunnel, and it makes you feel like you're gonna hit your head on something when you go down in it, because it's all dark. It's pretty cool though. They got some really good architecture out here. These roller coasters are really fun. I love riding roller coasters, but not so much anymore. I think the older I get, I don't know, I start thinking about the fear factors of it breaking down or screws coming loose or something, and I fall to my death. Where when you're young, you're a little more fearless. I'm fearless. I like to be fearless, and I love adventure, but I still like to stay grounded. This is really cool. This is an outdoor, I'm sorry, not outdoor. This is an indoor building that has really cool stuff in there from like the president's stuff. And as soon as you walk in, there's President Clinton sitting at a desk with you-know-who under the desk on her knees. Need I say more? It's top secret, y'all. Here's the deer park. I used to take the kids there when they were little. Oh, we had so much fun there. They have all kinds of deer. You go in there and feed them. They had chickens, all kinds of really cool stuff. Just for your kids can go pet and stuff. Now we're getting into the scary part of the Dells for the season. The Lost Temple and the haunted houses stuff.